Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your Likee video quality using your mobile device. If you want to watch videos in the best resolution on Likee, then first of all open up the Likee application on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the human icon. This will take you to your profile page, from where you'll need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings. Under Settings, look for Quality option under General and tap on it. From the Quality option, click on HD for the best quality. You can also choose the Smooth option according to your device's type. If you choose HD, then it is for the better visual but uses more data. If you select Smooth, then this will help you save mobile data. Once you're done with that, you can get back to your home page and the video will adjust automatically to the chosen quality. And that's it. Now you know how to change video quality in Likee in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.